Good morning, guys. Waking up early to get some work done in the car today. So I want to work on the white MK1 Jetta. So when I bought the car, the previous owner gave me some of these nice vinyl blue seats, leather looking like blue seats, because the seats in there now does not look good at all. Let's go take a look at them. Whew, pretty foggy day today. And there's the white Jetta. Yeah, so look at those. Doesn't look good at all. Not a fan of these seats. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the seats. Let's start with the two front seats first. They're very easy to remove, actually. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is slide the seat back a little bit so that you can access the small 10mm nut and bolt. There, and let me show you the nut and bolt. So that there is the nut and bolt that you want to remove, so you can slide the seat all the way back out to actually pull the seat out. Let me remove that bolt real quick. There it is. Now you can slide the seat all the way out by pulling on this lever to adjust the seat. Okay. And it'll just pop out at both ends. Then just twist it. Pull it out. There's the passenger side. You can do the same thing for the driver's side. Let's go do the driver's side. Okay, now onto the driver's side. Same procedure as the passenger side. Let's remove that nut and bolt. Actually slide it a little bit back. Not too far. And then the nut and bolt's over here. There are those. Don't forget the washer too right here. Slide it back some more. This should pop out at both ends. And just twist. Oh, forgot about this connector. Let me pop this connector off. Okay, and there's the driver's side. So that's how you remove the two front seats. Easy peasy. Now let's get on to the rear seats. Alright, so now for the back seats, which are a two-piece, we need to first remove the backrest. The backrest has these four large retaining clips or holders that we need to pop out to be able to remove the backrest. You can see that there's one there, one there, one there, and one there. Now let's get to popping those out, and then the backrest should be able to pop out. Okay, so I'll be starting with the top first. I'm just going to use a large flat head to pop this one out of the holder here. Open it up. That one's off. Now let's go to the left side. Same thing. Pop this one up. Push it up a little bit. Okay, so this one is out and the other side is out. Now we can just pull the seats up from inside of the car. All right, so let's pull the backrest off now. Let's do this side first. Just pop it up. Look that side. Okay. Side out. We'll pull this side out. Okay, so that's how you take the backrest off. Now let's pull the bottom cushion out. Okay, now so for the bottom bench cushion, the seat is actually held by 2 Phillips screws, one here and one here, and just a plastic holder in the back. Let me show you where that's at. Just back here, right here. So first let's get to removing the 2 screws first. So there's one here. And that side. And now the bottom bench should be able to come out. Like this, pull it out. So that's how you remove the rear seats on a Mark 1 Jetta. Alright, now that the seats are out, I actually want to swap out the carpets. I have a set of black carpets that looks much better than this. And the car is kind of dirty too, so I'm going to clean up the car out first before putting the seats back in. Okay, so installed the new carpet and got this area cleaned up a little bit. Now let's install the rear seats. Okay, so bottom cushion is in. Now let's put the backrest cushion out. Okay, now for the rear, just like how we removed it, we're going to install it the same way. The clip's going to slide in here and slide in here. Then it's going to lock up right in here. Let's install the backrest. So all those metal clips are in. Let's go check out the seat. And that is how you install the rear seats on a Mark 1 Jetta. Now let's install the two front seats. So let's install the driver's side first. So there are 3 channels that the seats slide into. One here, one here, and the other one here. And then we gotta keep in mind of this seat locking pin. One important thing to note are these seat guide slider clips. If you are missing those, then your seat will be wobbly. Get to plug in this plug here. Here's the passenger side. See how bad these backrest bolts are. It's already technically gone and it's coming out of the seat covers already. I'm gonna need to replace this real soon. But let's just install them. Alright, so both front and rears are installed. Let me show you what they look like. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Also, if you like this video or find it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.